In this video, we're going to be talking about fractions to decimal and decimal to fractions. Let's say you're given a fraction like 1 over 2. The easiest way to convert to a decimal is to just divide the numerator, in this case 1, by the denominator, 2. If you put this in your calculator, you'll get a decimal. 2 does not go into 1, so I have to put a 0, and I put a decimal point here. And 2 goes into 10 5 times. Minus 10 equals 0. So 1 over 2 is equal to 0.5. Let's try a different number. Three over 8. Well, I divide 3 by 8. Does 8 go into 3? No, so I put a 0 and a decimal and a 0 here. Does 8 go into 30? Yes, it does. 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. Minus equals 6. Can 8 go into 6? No, so I need to put a decimal. 8 goes into 6 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. Minus equals 4. Bring down a 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. Minus equals 0. So 3/8 is equivalent to 0.375. Of course, you could have just put that into your calculator and it would have given it to you. So how do we convert from a decimal to a fraction? Let's say you're given the decimal 0.4. First thing to do is to count the place it's in. This is the ones place. This is the tenths place. Since the first number is in the tenths place, I put a 10 as the denominator, and then I put whatever number I have in the numerator. Then, this isn't in simplest form, so I simplify. They both have a common factor of 2. And there's my answer.